Run.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you. Congratulations.
Actually, yang ngeseldi.
Belai hambai.
Dabok sini, Honorable MDC, award ini.
Congratulations.
Sir.
Right time में ऐसा.
Yak lagi.
Please hold it
Isi orang.
now. Welcome Thayo. Te hambai te congratulations. Rogo. Puspita Murasi. Amo sudo tapok jongronai hi wan songmani kogya. Amo chini imang tongmani. Chini ti prasani imang tongmani. Je chini ti prasani bisingo haino Miss India. Indian Idol ngimano hangga tabok Miss Puspita Murasi chini imang no bo sakar khlaika haini mangoi Miss Puspita Murasi te boni family boni parents boni guardians boni parani borok rongno borok ya bono the support khlaika moral support rogut bono jebabe successfully bono achievement khlairaka haini mangoi jottono ADC procession itu pakai cuma hambai rago.
Ini kalau Puspita Murasi no ang belai berhabi hambai maya apa. Ti orang program macam ni iudi monti atau ya sekolah monti jago sing soal jago. Ti sini CU, sini MDC, orang ni PU, emang finance, ti joto okra sakra, emang bin betano, ang belai hamai maya pro, karena beta songgono, sabik saya tu kaya na, kemawati.
First of all, I'm really grateful to be here today, and I would like to thank all of the great bodies of ADC area who are present here today. I'm really grateful to all of you for giving me the opportunity to be here today. The crown that I have won is not only for me, it's for the state, it's for the people of our community. And I believe that I have the potential to give back the society because whatever I'm today, it's because of your support, love, and your blessings. Thank you so much.
Tipra hasilnya ini tipra sani kerja saja. Baru menanjut Puspita Murasi. GMI Miss India 2024 bawa applying gay tabuk sini tipra sarana bawa belai kucukut langka awan bagai jeng wana pulano jeng jorot tipra sarana gay ADC administration gay jeng wana hambai ribu te kakamia paro.
Kapang ni takuk tai bukuk chong obahnya nokbor news ni bising tui nong no ketal update belakina tiprasani bisingo belakina mung kotor hai kaba belakina bola jaknai mangpli kasai phakya obahin TTAD se hapang ni bising tui tini belakina bini yapai mari obah ki mankha chini bukuk bini khuktin jeng detail norokno serai ke update phunuknai hingke bukuk ni sin mung pulian saikhan
Kulim Kajotono, ani bumung Puspita Murasing, ang 19 years old, ani para hangke Potisuri Santir Bazar, South Tripura, an bawan bumungke Ashwini Kumar Murasing, ani mani bumungke Subarna Kanya Tripura, currently ang Medical Laboratory Technology Poritungu, Hambai.
Nang boba ke mane tiprasani bisingo, nang boba ke mane Miss India winner rengka boba hai.
Tabuk kaisa kuchuk jaga nung thangi shogina hangke nung onek no ups and downs face ma khayo same ang bo face khaika an life ang onek no rejection bo face khaika ang success bu nu kha nu ya hani maya hapano o je ang shogina musumani a jaga ang shog mane ang shogui maya angkha but still one fine day ang kaisa email o kaisa email mamani ani whole life mane changing thanga so competition onek tough tong mani because 30 candidates from all over India compete khayo so noro joto ni hamjakma hamari blessings by ang tini Tripurani first GMIMS India and ang noro joto no markino grateful to all of you for your all love and support towards me and hopefully bas kango an international fight ongo afrobo ang khakhayo noro joto na ano taisha support khainai so that ang international crown bo taisa nogotui phaiman thung hinai
bo thairo thangai nang bo winner angka
chini competition angmani hinke Mumbai ni Alpro Auditorium Mall hinke ani international anga nai tongmani hinke Jakarta Indonesia wo o competition angnai to 2025 ni June
nung bo bisiro go ba ki sinija ko winner
ang chengmani hinkai 16 years ni siming hinke first ang face of Meghalaya khaika ang Paimalia top 5 potong mani after that ang Sunsilk Mega Miss Northeast thanga 2023 wo hinke ang Mega Miss Tripurani title paikha and after that ti budita competition khaika kaisi international competition bu khaika but ajaga wang applying malia and this year hinke hopefully by the grace of God paikha
nung lukurok hayung ni bororok nono busujor tei support khlaiya nang winner mani bisingtei
tabuk ang sanamu sungu nung kaisa jaga soi kha hangke nini supporters butongo nini haters butongo ang Americano grateful je ano support khaika ani journey wo ano hamza muranai rong no and ani haters no bo ang hambai sanamu sungu because norok ano let down khayang ke ang ani limit push khaimi ang khamu amtin sanamu sungang lukurong no
tabuk ni nok nukhong ni bororong ni bagile nang bo ba ki feel khlaiye nang o ba ki winner ngai kya
first to ani ma to ekdom parents rok soya because borong ni kaisa wan sukman tongo that borong ni siming and to Indian parents in kaisa wan sung tongo that nang kaisa government job khana nango because both my parents are mane borok government jobs khayo ke borong ni kaisa expectation tongo that borong ni basabo someday government job khaitang hanai and chung notice ni borok chung kabang exposure maya ke borok wan sugo modeling rok khayoi kono career koroi mane tam khainai nang field mane nang pora rok angyang thanai shi hinke onek nom ha ki convince rok ma khaika but I'm really grateful that any parents ano support khaika 2023 ni siming jeffro ang Mega Miss Tripura angkha after ni siming constant support family ni ups and downs angkha kasara but still any parents ano ani uporo believe khaimani bagai tini ang khoroksa Miss India angi mangkha and ang onek no thankful ani parents ani family members jotoni thani
je tabuk ni dol baksa friends songno nang tam bo ba message runanya
angani friends rongno sanamu sungo friends rongno siming ya angjo to youngsters non sanamu sungo if ni kaisa imang tong kha hangke nung ungklok ufilta nahandi nono bui kaham bu sanai tongnai hamya bu sanai tongnai bui nono kuchugot ti sanamu sungnai bu tongnai nono let down khaina mu sungnai bu tongnai but nung waisa si tong mane you only live once hingke nung ni dream no fulfill khaidi borok nono kaham sanai bu tongnai hamya sanai bu tongnai so just go for it
ni reng mari busrok kisel lukurong sai
ani qualification hinke ang ani schooling khaika St John's Whitehall ni siming science de yoi hangkai 2021 ni siming hinke ang ko college pori tongo medical laboratory technology Martin Luther Christian University ni siming tabuk hingke ang internship khai tongo Bethany Hospital
tabuk nang mai baksa je mangpli go basai tongnai rok abuk sabuk laina rok
boke ani own sibling boke Amit Mura Singh he's one of the MMA fighter in Tripura. He won the gold belt for India 2019 no Brazil thangai. He was in Brazil for 1.5 years. Hinke bo India ni bagai thangai bo khoroksa and I would say that one inspiration because Jeffrang Cherai Tongmani 2019 to 20 wo he got really famous in Tripura. Hinke an guys a dream tongmani that someday ang andara hayang nai that by anonugi hinai that I want to be like him or her amahaita bo hinke ani basai
tau bini
bini wife
ka belai kan khatung jang nai mangpile go bahanyo bini tabuk bini dara asol bani ang koglong ni bisingtui salaina bahai ke bo Miss India manka bo haste wo thangai kini ni sin kisa ri ro gari lo
An mungkai Amit Mura Singh, angke Amit Mura Singh, ang former Brazil ni Gold Talent BJJ ni champion, angke Miss India GMI Miss India 2024 Puspita Mura Singh ni dara.
nang tabuk Miss India tabuk ni hanok jikno Puspita Mura Singh no nang bo bahai ke lam soka bo bahai ke nang ni imang tongmani ni hanok jingno omosik kuchugo thinango sing sarana ni jati hai wan sukmani ni busuk joroti feel khlai ke nang bono sapu
Chung to amte suk kuzuko thangna ni expect khamania but Chinese simin bon belain dedication to ba schooling hebron simin ba modeling rok hamjago belaino Chinese simin no enke ba amte ke kabang mano ba competition thanga contest kabang mano ba thungka ba notice rok ba age paijak ke te bo international bo age bo te bo khaijak bo ni Hornbill Festival International Hornbill Festival rogo enke this time honke ba thangpro chung jotono support khaika ke belaino tongthongmani kok sini ti pressure ne baganya je ba puila ti prasa ngai ni Miss India GMI Miss India 2024 bo paikha ke tabo India no hain bo represent khayan thang to Miss Cultural 2025 bo Jakarta Indonesia bo ke chung jotono khushi ke chung support khani sungman sakbono bo tebo ajaga thangai nai tebo kplayong phaiton hanai
ke tabuk han hitai khoroksa bini basi bai bu kisisa reply bini khoktei sing khnalayo na ke tabuk Miss India je manmani yagulo nangla tam bini bagi kok sanai
ang sanai bo bskango je competition no thangi dongo 2025 bosorni June maso ke angna je bapai phaiteng hanai ono gote kaisa crown tui phaiteng hanai ta
omo haidi mani diwaita na surita nin bumo
ani bung ke Monica de Burma
belai nok nukni bisingtui support jotono obo haino jotono khabaksa hangkangke obo haikino phanbaksa hangke thanchang khangke tam khlaime tongba samungno kubui obo haino mangplik belai khino khatung jaknai mangplik kasai pekya titi edi se hapangni bisingtui bini tini sokat mangkha busuk jora mangkha omjung mangplik bisingtui nongno phunuknai ketini ni mangplik nai tongnai rokno nokbo news ni joto hayungni bororok joto rangsungni takhuktai bukuk jongno komeni bisingtui norok singkhadi nai tongnai rokno jotono hambai khulumkha.